fully automatic water heater welding line with robots by CSP is an advanced automated system designed for high precision and high efficiency welding of water heater tanks. It integrates robotic arms for processes like straight seam welding, circular seam welding, and nipple pipe welding, etc., ensuring consistent and high quality welds. The inner cap welding line is a specialized automated system designed for welding hanger, flange, and nipple pipes to the inner caps, ensuring a strong and leak-proof connection. Utilizing welding techniques such as TIG, MIG, or plasma welding, the system provides high precision, consistency, and efficiency. Additional features like automatic loading, positioning, and quality inspection enhance productivity, making it ideal for large-scale water heater manufacturing. Axis rolling machine is an advanced metal forming device designed for bending metal sheets into cylindrical or curved shapes. It features 4 rollers, including upper, lower, and side support rollers, which provide enhanced precision and control compared to 3-axis machines. The 4-axis design reduces material spring back, improves forming accuracy, and allows for better handling of different sheet thicknesses and materials. Widely used in the water heater industry, this machine ensures high efficiency, automation, and consistent quality in metal rolling processes. Straight seam tunnel welding machine features a tunnel-type structure that provides a stable, enclosed welding environment, ensuring uniform heat distribution and minimal distortion. The inner cap loading robot is an automated robotic system designed for precise and efficient loading of inner caps onto water heater tanks. Equipped with robotic arms, vision systems, and intelligent positioning, it ensures accurate placement, alignment, and handling of components. This automation enhances production speed. The assembly and spot welding machine integrates positioning, clamping, and spot welding functions to ensure strong and consistent weld joints. The machine provides fast, reliable, and high-quality welds while minimizing material distortion. The circular seam welding machine utilizes welding to create strong, leak-proof, and uniform welds. The machine features automated rotation, precise positioning, and consistent heat control, ensuring high-quality, distortion-free seams. Equipped with automated positioning, clamping, and rotation functions, the nipple pipe welding machine ensures accurate alignment and consistent welding quality. A mounting plate welding machine ensures the plates are firmly attached to support the heater's installation, withstand mechanical stress, and maintain structural integrity under high temperatures and pressure. Using advanced welding, these machines deliver consistent, high-strength joints while minimizing heat distortion, critical for maintaining the water heater's durability and leak-proof performance. Leakage testing machine is an automated system designed to detect leaks in water heater tanks. Equipped with automated sealing, pressure control, and sensor-based monitoring, the machine ensures high precision, fast testing cycles, and consistent quality control.